art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Ipin from Incredibox Sprunki. So first for the head, we're going to start in the center towards the top, drawing in a nice big circle. Now for our eyes, on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in another circle for that left eye. And then we're going to leave a small gap moving across on the right and replicating that. Now in the middle of both eyes, we're going to draw in another circle in the center. For the eyebrows, we're going to draw in an arch line above both of our eyes. Now for the mouth, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle on the left. And then we're going to line that up at the same height on the right-hand side and replicate that. Now from here for the body, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on the left. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move over and across on the right. And now from here on the bottom, let's just curve this line across. Moving up for the neck, again curving this line across. And now for the letter I. And now for the letter I in the center, we're going to draw in a circle. Moving down a small straight line across. On either side, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down. And then again, just closing that off with another straight line. And that is it. That's how you draw Ipin from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.